Everyone, welcome to 10x Web Developers. Today I'm going to cover one of the easiest way to run any JavaScript code without using any IDE or setup anything. It's really simple. So think about it. You have our most beautiful browsers in the world installed in your computer, and the best thing with that is it comes with the most powerful tool, which is called web developer tool. So you can right click and click the inspect, or you can control shift I or command shift I if you're using Mac. So after that you see this most beautiful web tools available, devTools available for us. So the most easy way to execute any JavaScript code is go to the console, and now you can execute any JavaScript code like 1+1, and you will get the results straight away. And you can do anything like hello world. You see the alert pops up, and yeah, and then you can write any function like func return 1 plus 99. So if you call that, it will return 100, which is so cool. So this is one of the easiest way you can quickly test and run any JavaScript functions, which is quite useful if you want to just quickly test something. And the second thing I want to cover in this video is another way if you want to like be able to reuse the code that you want, and you can go to the source tab, and on this little thing here there's a snippet, so you can create new snippet, and then you can write, and then you can put the JavaScript code there. The beauty of this is if you store in the Chrome database, and it won't disappear after you restart the browser. But if you stick to your current user profile, but if you switch to a different profile, I think the snippet will gone. Yeah. So now, for example, if you have this one, and then um, what you can do is you see this thing here. So it's command enter if you execute this JavaScript code. So basically what it does now is shows you the magic console again, where it evaluate the JavaScript code in the snippet. So, and you will see that what it does is to command shift, it shows you again, and if you put 1+1, and then it give you that second one. This one gets a bit annoying. Keep going. Right, that's all cool, and you can have as many of the snippet if you want. So the beauty of that is all the snippets will be available on any pages you visit. So if you're going to visit any other pages, oops, not if you go to YouTube, and then Control Shift I, open up that, and you see the snippet still here. So, and now you can execute. So another thing I want to cover is for this snippet, you can actually, if you got a lot of things going on here, and you can actually, what it can do, you can actually run a particular line of the code. So for example, this one here, and you can put something, you can console log, and then you can function 1+2, right? And what you can do, you can select this one, and then you can right click, and you see this little thing here called evaluate in console. If you select that, right. Oh, right, sorry, mistake here. So right click again, evaluate in console. Oh, it's already defined. So yeah, so of course, because it's already defined last run. So if you right click this and evaluate in console again, it will give you a 3. Alright, this is quite useful because if you got a really big snippet, it would be helpful that you just want to run any particular line of code. Alright, and I think this would be it for the this video. And another thing is that if you want to learn more about the code snippets, it has someone created this open source projects from GitHub. You can check it out. It's the devTools snippets. So this project here, it has a lot of already created devTools snippets in Chrome that you can use. So this is pretty cool, and if you go and check it out, and you can see all the snippets here, you can just grab and use, which is quite cool. Alright, this is the end of my presentation here. So if you have any comments, any concerns, any questions, just leave me a comment below, and don't forget to click like button if you like it, or give me any suggestion. I can do it better for you next time. Alright, thank you and have a great day. Bye.